So a brand new streaming application, new for November 2023, giving you access to thousands and thousands of movies, TV shows, and even some live TV. Now, this application is absolutely free. It doesn't require any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords. The application doesn't need any kind of VPN. The application doesn't have any adverts. And for a completely free application, I'm sure you'll definitely find something to watch. So please do take a moment to hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. Get free access to hundreds of live TV channels, no sign up required. Just sit back, tune in, and keep your hard-earned money. So sounds really good. Let's now open up the application. Now, when you start the application for the first time, pay attention to this initial pop-up, because here the application is asking you, is it okay to use your device resources and IP address to download public web data? So essentially what they're asking is, whilst you're using their application, can they use some of your device resources? Now, by law, they have to ask you for this permission, because otherwise it's like malware or like spyware. But the fact that they're asking you, it is optional. So I'm just going to click on no thanks. The application still works fine, and it just means that your device resources will not be shared with anything else. Now, the application has a super clean, super simple layout. You've got dedicated sections at the top for Halloween, classic movies, drama, documentary, crime, romance, watch live. Now, if I go into, for example, the first one, you can now see some of the scariest films around, lots of different things. Let's go to drama. We can now see different drama content. For a quick test, let's try this eavesdrop. Let's click on that. You can now see information about what you're about to watch. I can click on watch now. And the great thing is, as I mentioned at the start, I've not seen any adverts. So typically with these free applications, you do have to sit through a few adverts before you can watch your content. But as you can see here, guys, one click and I'm straight into that content. That's working great. Let me just forward that a bit just to confirm it's working. That's working great. And that really is a great high definition picture. Let's go back. Now, watch live. This is where I thought you'd actually see a list of live channels, but on my device, when I click on this, it actually just shows a blank screen. So I don't know, maybe based on my location, maybe this section has been geo-locked for me, but definitely do check this out on your side and let me know what happens when you click on watch live. But definitely on my device, it doesn't actually show anything. Let's go down. Then you got a section for new movies. You can just see, guys, lots and lots of different content in here. Then you got all movies. Maybe some popular stuff like US Marshals, lots of different things, pages and pages of different movies, different content. Let's click on that, click on watch now, just to show you that it's not just one movie, one show, one episode. Everything in this application, as it's an official licensed application, it's working straight away. And more importantly, it doesn't really seem to have any adverts. And that's working great. Let's go back. Then you got another category here. You got some Christmas-based content. Now, oddly enough, the rest of these have got some weird titles like this BLBB. So it's almost like the person that made this application didn't really label the sections properly. But the content in here, you guys, you can see is really jam-packed. I'm just whizzing through it now just so you can see. But then you got Black Voices Plus, Classics Plus, Christmas Plus, Romance Plus. Okay, so clearly the plus section, Inspiration Plus, Star Power Plus, Top Horrors of All Time, Kung Fu Plus. So if you like your martial arts, you definitely will find something in here. And the fact that it doesn't require any registration, doesn't require any kind of VPN, you can just pretty much open the app and go through the content in here. And I'm sure you'll find something to watch. Now, to get this application on all of your devices, on the Amazon devices, you can just press the home button, go over to search, click on that, and just type in the word free plus. There we are, free plus. Let's click on that. and that's the application there. Now, if you can't see this in your application store, or if you're doing this on another device and you want to access this, I will be uploading the latest version of this directly on my website. All you need to do is just open up Downloader and head over to tdoctoruk.com, or you can type in the short code 53402, type that in, get to my website, click on the hamburger menu, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get this free plus application on all of your devices. And just before you go, guys, if you are looking for a super special deal, which is going to be finishing in the next week or so, right now you can get a great offer, $249 a month. So at that price point, to get total protection for unlimited devices, maximum speed, no logging, covers your Firesticks, your Windows PCs, your laptops, your Android TVs, all devices covered with that single license. This really is a very special price, and something that I do think you guys, if you are in the market for a new VPN, or if you're not happy with your current VPN, you should definitely check this out. Using my link does help support my channel, so if you do want to support me and my work, this really is the best way to do it. So really appreciate your support. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. Do leave me a comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.